G'day guys, how's it going? Right, I want to show you a little thing that could make a big difference if things go pear-shaped while you're out on an adventure ride, even a local ride. And what it is an ICE card. I have one here that I've just made up. Put it in there, boom. And I created this simply by a thing that I've put on the website where people can download it, fill in their details and print it out. And then all you're going to need is sticky tape, a pair of scissors and a highlighter of whatever color you want. I only had a green one, so mine's green, not red. Right, so I'm going to show you how to do it, where to stash it, all that kind of stuff. Let's get into it. Now, I'll just give you a quick rundown of why you'd want to carry it. Basically, if you're unconscious or you can't communicate, it gives information to the emergency crew people, details about your name, your emergency contact, allergies, medical conditions, Medicare card number, insurance numbers. They're not so important, but you know, you might be allergic to a particular drug like penicillin or something like that. Now, this isn't something that they first look for. Their immediate thing is just getting you stable and right. But if it's there, it's visible, it can actually speed up getting that information to them and being able to help you out. Right, now that we know that, let's head over to the office and let's start making it. Could be just a fun little bloody project. Now, I've got the trusty dog, little Alfie. He's going to give us a hand. Rightio guys, so in the office, got a computer, your laptop or whatever, short lookers are on. Basically bring up a browser, go to the BikerBits website, which is bikerbits.com.au crew, you can see there. Come to the toolbox, and in this menu you'll actually see the ICE card is down here, or you can just go to the toolbox and scroll down and there's the ICE card there. Click on that. Better log in. So obviously this isn't for just public, this is for members, but there is a free thing, so you can sign up, doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get access to this. Right, so this has brought this up, and all you've got to do on this page is just giving you an example here. Just click this download. That's just going to open up a separate window, and then you come over to the little download icon there, press download. And hey presto, I just saw it then, it just downloaded. So you can close that. I can even close this. And if I grab my downloads folder there, that there is the PDF that's been downloaded. Open that up. Boom. So this is an A4 sheet, and all we've got to do is fill in the information here. Say your name, and we'll just go John Smith. Date of birth. 23, I don't know, /08/1968. Blood group, A positive. Boom. Address 1 High Street. And then we'll go Hightown. This is just made up. Victoria, I don't know, 3000, which is actually Melbourne. And then an emergency, so it would be, let's say, Mary Smith. Boom. Click in the next one. Contact details would be, I don't know, 0400 345 789. And then we come over to, do you have any conditions? I'll just say none, because I wouldn't have any. Medical medications, no, I'm not on any medications. Allergies, yes, I'm actually allergic to horsehair. Oh, let's change that. I know that's weird, but I learned that as a young kid that horsehair I'm allergic to. But really, that's not going to be a worry to you know, an emergency. And then a Medicare number, I don't know, 333-333-7. Insurance, if you've got insurance, I don't have private health insurance, so I'd go none. That's it. So that's now filled out. All we've got to do is come up and go, let's print that out. And we'll press print, but I'm going to turn you guys to the printer. Pressing print. Hopefully this stupid printer will get the paper in. Yes. Now I've only just got a black and white printer. If you've got a colour one, well then you don't need a highlighter. So that's what's printed out. So now let's go back out to the shed and we'll turn this into an ice card. Rightio, so we've got our sheet of paper. All we've got to do, oh no, actually we won't cut it first. What I'm going to do is highlight the emergency stuff. So as simple as, just so it makes it stand out a little bit. I don't think it matters that it's not red. They're not going to worry. That's it, done. More than likely fast motion. All we've got to do is now, we've got a dotted line, simply cut on that dotted line. Boom, there we go. The rest of this stuff can get chucked. So there we go, and now all we've got to do is basically fold this in half. Like that. And there is our card. So now all we've got to do is make it waterproof basically, and so that it's not all flippy flappy, if you know what I mean. Let's do that. Righto, so simply, now you can use, like this is only thin. I've actually got thick packing tape, but I wanted to use this because normally everybody's going to have this type of tape. So just stick it on there like that. Peel that up. Make sure it's all straight. Fold it over. Cut your little lens off. Like that. Oh, come on, what are you doing? There you go, guys. That's it. I mean, that's rough as guts, but if I can get that focusing, I mean, anybody can read that. It doesn't matter that it's all taped over. You could most probably do quite a few amounts of tape over it if you wanted to, but that's it. Done. So yeah, that's it. Whack it in your wallet or print it out a couple of times. Chuck it in the tank bag. So there you go, guys. That's a very simple little fun project. You can make it a fun project if you're a little bit not up with the printing and all that kind of stuff. You might have a partner, a missus, kids. The kids bloody say, hey, help me out doing this. So there you go. Hopefully you never have to use one, but if it's there, it's great insurance and it costs you bloody nothing to make it. Righto, guys. Remember, keep on riding, and if you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.